Hello everyone. In this video, we are just going to understand what is stack in a microcontroller. Let's get started. So the main purpose of real-time operating system or the main performance of real-time operating system is to manipulate the stack according to the scheduler that it works on. For understanding the real-time operating system, it is important to understand the stack of a microcontroller. Let's do that in this particular video. And for understanding the stack in this video, let's try to explore the memory map of the microcontroller STM32F446RE. Let's consider this is the memory block of the microcontroller STM32F446RE, and in this memory map or memory block we have 512 kbs of flash ROM program memory, and following that we have 128 kb of static random access memory, which is RAM, and then we have IO ports memory, which is allocated for input output ports, and following that we have memory dedicated for internal IO, and the memory segment starts from 0x000000 to 0xFFFFFFF. This is the end of memory map region of the microcontroller STM32F446RE. And in this region, within this region, from the datasheet of the microcontroller STM32F446RE, the RAM address starts from 0x20000000 to 0x200001FFFF. So here it is wrong. It is actually 1FFFF, which means the total size of RAM is 128 kb. So starting from 0000, it counts till 1FFFF. This is the region of RAM, and among the region of this RAM, the stack is located like this. It is dedicated like this. So stack is nothing but a memory region inside the RAM. Just understand that. And now let's try to understand how does the stack arrangement looks like and how it basically functions. The stack basically is a last in first out temporary storage location in RAM, which means you can push the data onto the stack, and on pushing the data it will be accumulating from the top memory address of the stack or the top of the stack, and it gets accumulated on the top again and again, so that when you want to retrieve the data back from stack, you can only take the last pushed data onto the stack. It is not possible to take the third or fourth pushed data onto the stack. It is only possible to pop out the recently pushed data onto the stack. That is why it is called as last in first out temporary storage region. And in ARM Cortex-M processor, we have 32-bit data address, and the top of the stack is allocated right over here in the lowest memory location, and it is pointed by the pointer called stack pointer. And in register terms, this is also called as R13 in ARM Cortex-M processor. And the dedicated stack memory location can be taken as 4096. And in this video, you just understood what is stack and how it is located and where it is located and the basic terminology and functionality of stack. And in the next video, we will try to manipulate the data, or we will try to understand how the data is manipulated in the stack of the microcontroller. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.